Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very special course of Non-Veg Sizzler, and beside this course we have one more course in Sizzler, that is Veg Sizzler course. So in this course I will teach you the right technique of placing all the component and how to get that smoky effect what you get in restaurant. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is Italian Sizzler. Okay, in this class I will teach you how to get that perfect smoky effect in Sizzlers. Okay, and what are the right technique to get that perfect restaurant style taste in each Sizzler. Then this is our Mexican Sizzler. Even I will teach you how to place the all component to get that perfect look for the Sizzler. Then this is garlic prawn Sizzler. And this class is available in both Hindi and English language. Okay, then this is grilled chicken Sizzler. So we have more than 240 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after learning any course you can start your small business from home. This is chicken Shashlik Sizzler. So after learning this course, you can easily make all the Sizzler in restaurant way. And this is our Barbeque Sizzler. And beside this course, we have one more course in Sizzler, that is Veg Sizzler course. And this is our Thai Sizzler. So let's see who will be the two lucky winners of this week. So when you join our online course, you will get recipe video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place, anywhere. So first lucky winner is Kamini Kataria and second is Dipali Gangurde. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below number. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.